Do you guys constantly struggle with getting your foundation to actually stay on your face the entire day? Then you guys should definitely keep watching this video to learn my top 3 pro tips for getting your foundation to actually last all day long. Also, make sure you guys stay to the end of my video today. I'm giving away a free 45-minute consultation that also comes with a personalized shopping guide and more. For beauty and makeup made simple, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video on Saturdays. Because I've been specializing in bridal makeup for about 5 years now, I have to know right away how to keep makeup completely budge-proof all day long through 90-degree plus heat, as well as torrential downpours, awful humidity, whatever you could throw at me in Ohio. I have to make sure that the makeup stays all day long for my clients. So whether you're using, quote unquote actual primers, or you just really dialed in your skincare routine, it is so essential before you actually begin makeup application. This could not be more true, especially if you are a dry skin type. Washing your face is not enough to keep your foundation on throughout the day. You're going to notice that your skin's going to start flaking up because it's so dry, and when you actually put the foundation on, it's irritating it. So you definitely want to make sure that you follow through with a full skincare routine that actually includes moisturizer and other products that really add additional moisture to your skin. So if you do have that really dry skin type, I recommend a skincare routine that includes cleansing, definitely exfoliating your skin. You want to do it up to 3 to 4 times a week if your skin can handle it. And you also want to make sure that the moisturizer that you're using is a nice thick moisturizer, because it's going to continuously give you moisture throughout the day as it sinks into your skin and starts, just doing its magic. If you want to use an additional primer on top of the skincare routine, for dry skin, I highly recommend it, and I actually love using the Smashbox Primerizer. It is just a great photo finishing but super moisturizing primer that really just does the trick and helps the foundation to really glide on seamlessly over the skin. If you're oily, I basically recommend about the same skincare routine. The only thing that I would do different is I would not use a thick moisturizer, because that would be way too much for your skin. I would get a moisturizer that's geared towards oil control. And for any clients that I have that are super oily, again, I like adding an additional primer to their skin before I put on any kind of makeup. I love using the Makeup Forever Step 1 mattifying primer. I love it because it just kind of, again, smooths over the skin. It'll, kind of hide those pores, especially around the nose area and the forehead, and it does an amazing job of controlling the oil. I mean, this stuff will soak up any kind of oil that's on your face. So I want to hear from you guys now. Do you guys believe in actually using primers, or are you guys just dialed really into your skincare routine? Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you guys like primers or if you're team skincare all the way. So no matter what your skin type is, I think everybody benefits from using a face powder to set their foundation. So if you have normal, combination, or oily skin types, I really love using this powder right here. This is the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I love this powder to not only set my foundation with, but I love setting my concealer with it, so that when my natural oils start coming to the surface, it doesn't slide around on my face throughout the day. My blush, my bronzer, my contour, they all glide on and just apply so much better when I actually set my cheeks. If you are dry, you can definitely still use face powder. Just make sure you use a little amount. A little will go a long way with you. Definitely want to make sure you at least set in your under eye area, because that will, I feel like, no matter what your skin type is, slide around throughout the day. You definitely can also benefit from using a face powder that has more of like that illuminating effect, so it makes your skin look more awake and alive. I love using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powders just for that. And I honestly kind of finish all of my clients off with those powders because it just gives you that like glow from within that's so gorgeous. Wouldn't it be fantastic if we essentially had a hairspray for our face? We in fact are in luck, because we do have a magical thing called setting spray. Setting sprays might be one of my favorite makeup products, which is kind of odd, but it truly is one of my favorite makeup products. And honestly, it's kind of one of my secret key products for actually helping mine and my clients' makeup stay on all day and look super fresh. Once you spray your face after you're done with all of your makeup, it just kind of soaks all the powder into your skin, and again, you don't have that cakey, fake powdery look throughout the day. So what I literally do is I just take the spray and I just start spraying it all over my face, just letting it air dry naturally. So for basically any skin type, I absolutely love the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It's a cult classic spray for a reason, and it also crazily extends the life of your makeup throughout the day too. So Urban Decay also has an oil control version too, so if you're super oily, I would probably recommend that one over the All Nighter. Both are great, both are very, they're formulated very similarly. Oily girls, go to the oil control one. I'm going to include it on the screen right here so you guys can see what it looks like. So now you guys know my top 3 techniques on how I actually keep foundation on myself as well as my clients all day long. But I'm sure you guys at this point want some kind of a shopping list or some kind of direction to go to actually purchase all these things for yourself so you can use them on yourself. That's why I'm doing the free 45-minute Skype consultation with myself. I'm going to leave the link down below for you guys to enter, but this will include everything that we've learned over the last 4 weeks. I'm going to be kind of summarizing all that, giving you guys some guidance, plus also providing you a personalized shopping list that you guys can take with you the next time you head out to Sephora or Ulta, or even if you guys shop online. So the link to enter is down below, guys, so make sure you click on it. Best of luck to you guys. Thank you again so much for entering, and I will be talking with one of you guys very soon. Also, feel free to join my amazing community of like-minded women in our exclusive Facebook group. We chat and ask questions weekly about beauty, makeup, and self-care related topics so that we all have, one another's backs, as well as we can lean on each other when it comes to navigating this sometimes really, really tricky topic. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with anybody, family, friend, whomever, that struggles to keep their makeup on. And as we've been doing a lot lately, make sure you guys do #simplymakeup down below if this video helped you out in any way, shape, or form. That's it, guys. Thank you again so much for joining me today. I hoped I helped answer any of those burning questions you guys have about keeping your makeup and foundation and everything on. I will catch you guys in my next video. We're done with the foundation series and we're going to be moving on to something, I don't know. We're going to be moving on to something fun next. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.